Hey guys, welcome to Freelancerwebguru channel. In this video, we will explore how to set file path in PHP. Understanding file path is crucial for managing assets and including files in your web projects. So let's get started. This one as my project, but the CSS is not properly loading, right? So now I'm back to the Sublime text editor. And this one is my Sublime text editor. Now I'm inside the template folder, and the template folder I have a file header.php. So in header.php I want to add another file which is outside the main folder or main directory. So let's talk about this path, right? So this one is the style.css, and style.css is present inside here style.css, and the header.php is present inside the templates. So these two dots mean that you jump to the template folders, okay, and after the template folders you will write backslash, and after the backslash you will write the folder name. Inside the folder name you will write another folder name, because my style.css is present in the css folder, and then I'm gonna write here the exact file name, right? So this link is path is working, right? So now I'm gonna show that is it working or not. So here I'm gonna refresh the site and view page source. I'm gonna click on this link. So this is working, right? But I'm gonna click on the second link. It shows the 404 error because the file path is not correct. So how we will correct this file path? Back to the Sublime text editor, and here as I'm inside the templates folder, but my actual file is present inside let me show the proper directory structure. So here is my assets, right? Inside this assets, style.main.css is my actual file name. Now I'm going to access this file name, my file in the header.php, which is present in the template directory, right? So this one is the template directory. So what can I do? So two dotted mean I jump to the current template, okay, but inside the f user, all the folder is present inside the f user, right? But my actual file is present inside the assets, right? So again I am jump to the f user, right? So from here, from the template I'm jump from this header.php to the template. After two dotted I'm jump from the template to the f user, right? So after the f users, so I will write the assets. So this one is my assets folder, and inside the assets folder I'm in css folder, right? And inside the css folder you will see style.main.css, right? So this one is the style.main.css. now I'm gonna save this file path, and let's to refresh the one, okay, and then I'm gonna click on this file path, right? And let's see is it working or not. Okay, now it's working, right? So you can set the file path, follow this method, okay? So if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.